Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Best Buy affiliate links for tech reviews step by step clearly. To activate Best Buy affiliate links for your tech reviews, start by signing up for the Best Buy affiliate program. Visit the Best Buy affiliate program page on their official website. Locate the Join Now or Sign Up button and click on it. Fill out the required information, including your name, email, and website details. Ensure that your website meets their guidelines for tech reviews. After submitting your application, wait for confirmation via email. Once approved, log into your Best Buy affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard, where you'll find various tools and resources. Look for the Product Links or Link Generator section. Search for the specific tech products you want to review. Select the product, and a custom affiliate link will be generated for you. Copy this affiliate link for use in your tech review content. Incorporate the link naturally within your review, ideally mentioning the product features or benefits. Be transparent with your audience by disclosing that the link is an affiliate link. Monitor your link performance through the analytics dashboard provided by Best Buy. Make adjustments to your strategy based on what products drive the most traffic and conversions. Continuously update your content to reflect seasonal trends or new product releases. Engage with your audience to build trust and credibility around your tech reviews. Regularly check for any updates or changes to the Best Buy affiliate program. This will ensure that you remain compliant and can maximize your earning potential. By following these steps, you can effectively activate and utilize Best Buy affiliate links for your tech reviews. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.